Myself, V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in Mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about the problems on multiplication of matrices. In this session also, we shall discuss about the problems on multiplication of matrices. So, next problem, if A equals 2 minus 1 1 4 and B equals minus 3 2 minus 1 4, show that AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash. Solution. Consider A into B. So, A is 2 minus 1 1 4 and B matrix is minus 3 2 minus 1 4. So, the rule is row into column. Since A is a square matrix of order 2 into 2 and B is also a square matrix of order 2 into 2, naturally the AB matrix will be also a square matrix of order 2 into 2. So, that will be equal to, so first row into first column. So, 2 into minus 3 plus minus 1 into minus 1. Next, first row into second column, 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into 4 into 4. Next row, second row, first column. So, 1 into minus 3 plus 4 into minus 1. Next element will be second row into second column. So, 1 into 2 plus 4 into 4. So, that will be equal to so 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus, so minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So, 2 into 2 4 plus minus 1 into 4 minus 4, 1 into minus 3 minus 3 plus 4 into minus 1 minus 4. So, 1 into 2 2 plus 4 into 4 16. So, that will be equal to minus 6 plus 1 minus 5, 4 minus 4 0, minus 3 plus minus 4 minus 7, 2 plus 16. So, this is the product AB. So, AB whole dash. So, we have to take the transpose of the matrix AB. So, first row becomes first column, the second row becomes second column. We call this as equation 1. We have B equals minus 3 2 minus 1 4. A equals 2 minus 1 1 4. Let us find B dash equals minus 3, 2. That means the first row becomes first column and the second row becomes second column. So A dash equals first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. Consider B dash into A dash, that will be equal to minus 3 minus 1 2 4 into 2 1 minus 1 4 row into column. So that will be equal to first row into first column minus 3 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1. First row into second column minus 3 into 1 plus minus 1 into 4. Next, second row into first column 2 into 2 plus 4 into minus 1. Next, second row into second column. So 2 into 1 plus 4 into 4. So that will be equal to minus 3 into 2 minus 6, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus minus 1 into 4 minus 4, 2 into 2 4 plus 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 2 into 1 2 plus 4 into 4 16. So this is B dash A dash. So B dash A dash will be equal to, so minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5, minus 3 plus minus 4 minus 7, 4 minus 4 0, 2 plus 16 18. We call this as equation 2. From 1 and 2, AB whole dash will be equal to B dash A dash. Next problem, if A equals 1 2 1 4 and B equals 4 minus 3 2 1 and C equals 1 0 minus 2 4. Verify that number 1, A into BC will be equal to AB into C. Second one, A into B plus C will be equal to AB plus AC. Solution. So first let us find BC. Consider BC is equal to, so B is 4 minus 3 2 1 and C is 1 0 minus 2 4. Since B and C are square matrices of same order 2 into 2, the product BC matrix will be of the order 2 into 2. So that will be equal to first row into first column. 4 into 1 plus minus 3 into minus 2. 4 into 0 plus minus 3 into 4. Next, second row into first column. 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2. Next element, second row, second column. 2 into 0 plus 1 into 4. So that will be equal to, so 4 plus minus 3 into minus 2, 6. 4 into 0, 0 plus minus 3 into 4, minus 12. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 2 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 4, 4. So BC will be equal to 4 plus 6 is 10. 0 plus minus 12, minus 12. 2 plus minus 2, 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Consider A into BC. So first we shall write the matrix A. So A is 1, 2, 1, 4 into BC. So BC matrix is 10, minus 12, 0, 4. So let us multiply these two matrices. The rule is row into column. So this will be equal to first row into first column. 1 into 10 plus 2 into 0. Next, first row into second column. 1 into minus 12 plus 2 into 4. Next, 1 into 10 plus 4 into 0. Second row into second column, that is 1 into minus 12 plus 4 into 4. So that will be equal to 1 into 10, 10 plus 2 into 0, 0. 1 into 10, 10 plus 4 into 0, 0. 1 into minus 12 plus 2 into 4, 8. 1 into minus 12 plus 4 into 4, 16. So that will be equal to 10 plus 0, 10. Minus 12 plus 8. So 10 plus 0, 10. Minus 12 plus 16 is 4. This is A into BC. We call this as equation 1. Consider AB, that is A into B. First let us write the matrix A. 1, 2, 1, 4. And let us write the matrix B. 4, minus 3, 2, 1. So this will be equal to, so you have to multiply these two matrices. The rule is row into column. So first row into first column. So 1 into 4 plus 2 into 2. Next, first row into second column. 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into 1. Next 1 into 4 plus 4 into 2. Next second row, second column, 1 into minus 3 plus 4 into 1. So AB will be equal to 1 into 4, 4 plus 2 into 2, 4. 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 4, 4 plus 4 into 2, 8. So 1 into minus 3 plus 4 into 1, 4. So AB will be equal to, so 4 plus 4, 8, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1, 4 plus 8, 12, minus 3 plus 4, 1. Consider AB into C. So AB matrix is 8, minus 1, 12, 1 into C. So C matrix is 1, 0, minus 2, 4. So row into column. So that will be equal to first row into first column, 8 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 2. First row into second column, 8 into 0 plus minus 1 into 4. Second row into first column, 12 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2. Second row into second column, 12 into 0 plus 1 into 4. So that will be equal to 8 plus minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. 8 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 4, minus 4. 12 into 1, 12, plus into minus, minus 2. 12 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 4, 4. So that equals 8 plus 2, 10, 0 minus 4, minus 4, 12 minus 2, 10, 0 plus 4, 4. We call this as equation 2. From 1 and 2, A into BC will be equal to AB into C. Similarly, you can do the second problem. First we have to find B plus C. B plus C. Next we have to multiply by A. You call it as equation 1. Next you have to multiply A and B. That is, find AB and AC and add AB and AC. You call it as equation 2. From 1 and 2, these two are equal. That is left as an assignment to you. Okay, thank you.